Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Presenting my next vlog on the Athirappally Falls, which is one of the very popular waterfalls in South India, also referred to as the Niagara Falls of South India. Athirappally Falls is the largest waterfall in Kerala and stands at a height of 81.5 feet. This falls is located in the Thrissur district of Kerala on the Chalakudy river. The nearest railway station to Athirappally Falls is Chalakudy railway station, which is about 30 kilometers away, and the nearest airport is the Cochin International Airport, which is approximately 55 kilometers away. Athirappally Falls is also accessible via State Highway 21, which runs through scenic landscapes of forests and villages. One can also visit Athirappally Falls via the Valparai route, navigating through the Sholayar forest reserves. Traveling through this route is a bit adventurous and one can encounter sightings of the elephants during the journey. The best time to visit these waterfalls is around the monsoon season time, preferably in the months of September and October, when the waterfall is at its full force. It is better to avoid visiting it during the peak monsoon months of July and August, as the entry to the falls might be sometimes restricted due to the heavy inflows. The entry ticket to the falls is priced at Rs 50 per adult, Rs 10 per child, and Rs 200 for a foreigner, and one needs to pay a separate charge of Rs 60 for carrying a camera. This same entry ticket provides a free access to the Valparai waterfalls, which is located around 6 kilometers away from here. The entry to the falls is open on all days of the week from morning 8 am to evening 5 pm. The parking is available right at the entrance of the falls. These falls have been featured in numerous Indian films, enhancing its popularity as a tourist destination, the most famous movie being Bahubali. There are numerous shops right next to the entrance selling tea, coffee, Maggi, snacks, and other souvenirs. From the ticket entrance, one needs to walk for around 15 to 20 minutes along a developed pathway surrounded by forest to reach the entrance of the falls. The walkway is very well maintained, making it accessible for most of the visitors. Once you reach the entrance of the fall, one can opt for viewing the falls from the top, which provides a panoramic view of the surrounding hills and the waterfalls, or trek all the way down to the bottom to have a front-on view of the falls. There is a pathway laid from the top from where one can trek down to the bottom of the falls. The overall path of the trek is a bit steep and not suggested for people with knee ailments. The distance of this pathway from the top to the bottom is around 500 meters. Bathing at these waterfalls is strictly prohibited and not advised, as the flow of the water is very fierce and the rocks at the bottom of the falls are very slippery. There are quite a few resorts to stay around the Athirappally Falls, the most of them being the premium resorts, offering a majestic view of the falls right from their rooms. The popular ones being the Flora Misty Falls, Athirappally Rainforest Resort, Athirappally Green Trees, among the others. Visitors can enjoy jungle safaris, nature walks, and photography here. The best time recommended to visit the falls is early morning 8 am as it would be less crowded and one can enjoy the complete panoramic view of the falls. At the top entrance of the falls, there is a small cafeteria that serves tea, coffee, soft drinks, and other basic snacks. No plastic is allowed to be carried to the falls. Vazachel Falls and Chapra Falls are pretty close to Athirappally Falls and can be visited on the same day. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, click the like button and add in your valuable comments, and stay tuned to my channel as many more amazing travel videos are coming up. Thanks for watching, bye and take care.